On opener 8, we're trying to find the value of z, which is down here. We're trying to find the length, in essence, of this little segment. That would make the area of the total rectangle equal to x squared minus 81. So let's just see what we believe the area is now. X times x squared, 9x. Z times x is zx. Z just standing for some number. Times 9z. So what do we need here? We have our x squared, so that matches. We're looking for a negative 81, and that usually comes from this bottom term. So somehow I need to make this, choose a value of z that makes this bottom term 81. And also, I don't have a middle term. I don't have anything with just an x, which means I need, when I add these two items together, they need to equal 0. So I'm looking at 9x plus zx must equal 0. And I'm looking at 9z must be negative 81. So let's look at both of those. It seems like z can't be two different numbers, so hopefully the same one works out here. So here, if I divide by 9, I get z equals negative 9. And let's see if that works out in the first equation. So I get 9x minus 9x equals, that is 0. So that works out. So z must be negative 9. And what we're trying to illustrate here is this is called the this is the difference of two squares, right? Because x squared is a squared and 81 is a squared, and we're taking the difference, the subtraction of the two. So the difference of two squares looks like, in this case, x minus 9, x plus 9. Because the middle term is now knocked out, you just end up with the difference of the squares. So, another example, x squared minus 64 would be x minus 8 times x plus 8. Because when you multiply that out, you get x squared plus 8x minus 8x. So the middle terms knock out, minus 64. Okay, so this is a special one that you should start to recognize. This is going to come up over and over in your math classes, and so to be able to recognize the ability to factor this will save you a lot of time.